Hello, my name is Helen and a warm welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making delicious Irish soda bread. It's easy to make in under an hour. It does not need any proving or kneading, so it's a fantastic bread to make when you are in a hurry. I will show you how to make it. The ingredients that you will need are 170 grams of wholemeal flour, 170 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, which I have in this little pot, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 290 mils of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk for the soda bread recipe, there are two other methods that you can use. One is half and half plain yogurt mixed with milk, and the other, you can also use milk that has been soured by stirring in a tablespoon of lemon juice and then allowing it to stand for 10 minutes. Add the two flours together. Then add the salt and the bicarbonate of soda and give this a good mix. Then you make a well in the centre and add the buttermilk. And just stir this in. Depending on the absorbency of the flour, you may need to add a little milk if the dough seems to be a little bit stiff, but it should not be too wet or sticky. Turn onto a lightly floured surface and mix briefly. Form into a round. Cut across the top. Placing it onto a lightly floured baking sheet. So the dough is now ready to be baked for 30 minutes in a preheated oven, 200 degrees C or 180 degrees C fan, gas 6, or until the loaf sounds hollow when tapped. And then you can cool it on a wire rack. Well, this looks and smells absolutely delicious. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at making Irish soda bread, and come on back to my channel to see what I'm baking next time. Bye!